Hi guys, welcome to Online IT Solutions again. This is Piyush Agrawal. So today we are going to discuss how we can practice on Power BI in different versions and what are the versions available in the market for Power BI. Many people have got doubt how to manage the free tool of Power BI and how we can manage it. Okay, so the thing is, says some of the versions of Power BI are paid. Okay, but Power BI Desktop is one of the version which is free of cost. So let me explain you briefly what are the different versions of Power BI are available in the market. The first one is guys Power BI Desktop. Okay, so Power BI Desktop is a free tool. Okay, which you can use for the development of the reports, for transforming the data, for deploying the data into the cloud. All those things you can do is free of cost within Power BI Desktop. Okay, next one is Power BI Service. Okay, sorry, Power BI Pro. Okay, Power BI Pro. Power BI Pro is a paid tool which will cost you around $10, 9.99 US dollars per month. Okay, for the subscription, and you can here deploy the reports on the cloud. You can share it with anyone. Okay, so the difference between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Pro is you cannot share the report into the cloud with any other client in Pro. Okay, in Desktop. Okay, to overcome this limitation you have to purchase a license in Pro. Okay, so in Pro you can share the report with the client at any time, or and they can you can do every feature, you can use every feature of Power BI. Next one is Power BI Premium. So guys, Power BI Premium cost you rupees 4,999 US dollars per month. Okay, and it is used by very large organizations where they want large storage capacity. There are multiple users, 500 users, 400 developers, thousands of developers. They are not going to purchase the license separately for everything. Okay, they have to use it by capacity. Okay, storage. Okay, so let me show you basically what are the different versions in practical in Power BI website. You can get it. Power BI license cost. Okay, so we'll get a brief discussion over the thing. You can see guys, recently, let me take a presentation pan. So guys, there are two type of licenses, Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. You can see Pro and Premium. Okay, this is per user cost 9.99 US dollars per user per month. Okay, and this is premium cost. They have recently introduced per user version of Premium, where you can use all the storage, more storage, and all the features of Power BI Premium for a single user as well. So this is $20 per user per month. Okay, now the thing is, this is per capacity guys. Per capacity means if large number of developers are there in the large organization and they want to purchase the license in bulk, so that will cost rupees 4,995 US dollars per capacity per month. Okay, so if I'm going to go to the features of this, you can see here features. So here model size limit will be 1 GB. That means one data set can have only 1 GB of data limitation. Whereas in premium license per user 100 GB, and altogether whole capacity can have 400 GB of model size limitation. Okay. The refresh rate, whenever you are going to automate the refresh rate in Power BI, you can refresh the data in Power BI Pro, that is 8 times per day. Okay, but in Power BI Premium per user 48 times per day. Okay, so basically you can refresh the report in every half an hour guys in premium version, but in this you have to refresh only 8 times a day. Okay, and moreover the maximum storage, for example you have multiple reports, the maximum storage you can do is 10 GB per user. Okay, This is the limitation in Power BI Pro, guys. Okay, but Premium have got 100 TB. Okay, that is a very high size, very large size. So those who are having, those organizations who are having multiple reports to work on, okay, so hundreds of reports, they can manage this Power BI Premium, because guys, it is going to be very expensive. Power BI Premium license, okay, $4,995 per month. It's a very high cost. Okay, the companies, large organizations who have got thousands of users, they can do that. Okay, for you, you don't need any of the license for practicing purpose. You can just download this Power BI desktop. Okay, this will look like this. I'm showing you the latest version of Power BI desktop, guys. You can download this from internet, from this website, right there, Power BI desktop download, and you can go to this website, guys. Okay, this is the thing. Microsoft Power BI desktop. You can click on download, and you can download this, and will be ready to use after registering yourself with your official email ID. Okay, so guys, I hope this session is more useful for you. Let me show you the Power BI desktop whole latest version. Okay, so you can have a brief idea over it. So guys, this is the latest version of Power BI desktop. Okay, so I hope you got the point. What are versions available in the market, and how you can deal with which version you want appropriately for your organization, or for you personally, or you want to do practice for, so you don't have to buy any lessons for that. Okay, I hope this video is very useful for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot.